So today we're talking about what is SEO and what does it matter for your business. Hi everyone, this is Marsilda Bialczak, founder of Expand to Market, and welcome to our YouTube channel where you'll learn about social media, sales strategy, how to build a strong community, and turn those followers into paid clients. So make sure, so you don't miss any video, you hit that bell icon and you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can watch and learn and grow your business with us. So today we're talking about what is SEO and what does it matter for your business. SEO, or search engine optimization, means setting up your website and content to show up through online search results. For entrepreneurs, SEO is an integral part of building a successful startup from the ground up. So think about it. If most of you are not probably growing, it's because probably your content or even your website is not showing up. Most of us, the way how we purchase is either through ads, and maybe the ad was really targeted to us and that was exactly what we wanted, or we just go on Google, or we go, hey, maybe I want to buy something through Instagram, I'll search, but mostly it's Google or YouTube if you want to learn something. So you want to make sure whatever you're doing, that is going to come up. While many marketing tactics rely on you reaching out to your audience, SEO gives you the power to reach people when they're actively searching out information related to your products and services. The internet pulls over 90 million search results with SEO in the title. We're going to keep this post really simple so that by the end, you know what SEO is and why it matters for your business and how you can utilize it to start getting found by prospect clients online. Search engine optimization is important because without your business will be flung into not really growing as much. It'll be lost a little bit on the internet universe, never to be seen again. So having a website is one thing, but if your audience never sees it, does it even exist? Despite the importance of SEO, many founders neglect this low-cost, high-reward business strategy. Why is SEO important? Visibility and rankings. When searching for a service or product online, users are to choose one of the top 5 suggestions that the search engine shows them. SEO helps you rank higher in search results and have more visibility online, making potential customers more likely to click over your site and convert into actual customers. Web traffic. To put it simply, if potential customers can't find your website, sales opportunities are being missed. Like, where are they? SEO increases your organic search engine traffic, in turn increases the number of visitors your page sees each day. The other reason why SEO is important for your business is trustworthy. The better your SEO score is, the higher you are on search engines like Google. While ranking higher on Google is appealing to all brands because of increased visibility, a benefit is the trust you gain with potential customers. Users tend to defer to the recommendations that a search engine generates. So having a higher position for the right keywords a user is searching for will in turn solidify your product or service as trustworthy in their. The other important reason why you need SEO for your business is growth. There is no doubt about it, SEO is key to the growth of your brand. As we mentioned above, the higher you rank on a search engine for a variety of high volume keywords, the more organic web traffic your site will receive. As simple as that. The role of SEO for startups has significantly grown over the last few years. And although it has its challenges, it brings opportunities that no other growth tactic can actually provide. So however small or large a business is, now is the most appropriate time to invest some of your time and money and resources to include SEO in your marketing strategy.